Everyone knows Switzerland is rich. But what most people don't realize is how rich, and how it managed to become one of the wealthiest nations on Earth without oil, without natural resources, and without a single drop of strategic minerals. Because while countries fight over mines, pipelines, and industrial power, Switzerland quietly built a fortune using a secret formula that almost no nation has ever been able to copy. And today, we're breaking down that formula, step by step. Switzerland started with nothing. No coastline, no fertile land, no empire, no colonies. Just mountains, beautiful but useless for economic growth. So the Swiss made a decision almost no one expected. If we can't get rich from the ground, we'll get rich from what's inside people's minds. This single idea shaped the next 200 years. In the 1800s, Switzerland made its first big move, turning itself into the safest place on Earth to store money. While Europe was drowning in wars, revolutions, and collapsing empires, Switzerland positioned itself as a financial bunker. Their formula? Extreme neutrality, banking secrecy, zero political chaos, a reputation for absolute stability, and a legal system that protected savings at all costs. This attracted wealthy families, companies, and entire governments. Soon, Switzerland wasn't just storing money, it was controlling a large part of global finance. With money flowing into the country, Switzerland invested in industries that didn't need natural resources, only intelligence, precision, and talent. They built the best watches in the world, world-class pharmaceutical companies, elite luxury brands, food giants like Nestle, high-tech engineering firms, and one of the most advanced medical industries on Earth. Everything Switzerland built followed the same logic: high value, low volume, maximum profit. One Rolex earns more than a ton of wheat. One dose of a Swiss-made medication earns more than a truckload of copper. Here comes the real secret. Switzerland built a society where trust is engineered, not expected. Their political system is hyperlocal. Communities vote on everything. Corruption is nearly non-existent. Government debt is tiny. Public institutions are extremely efficient. This environment attracts the world's wealthiest individuals because rich people value one thing above all: predictability. And Switzerland perfected it. By combining extreme stability, elite industries, banking secrecy, high-value exports, world-class education, and a culture of reliability, Switzerland built a machine that produces wealth even without resources. This is the Swiss formula. If you can't get rich from the land, get rich from trust, talent, and precision. And that's how a tiny mountain country became richer than nations with oil, minerals, and entire continents of land. Switzerland didn't need resources. They created their own. If you want more videos revealing the hidden formulas behind the world's richest countries, hit the like button and subscribe.